Hello, everyone. Today, we are tackling an interesting graph problem often found in coding interviews, finding the path with the maximum probability. This is a great variation of the classic shortest path problem. Let's first understand the goal. You are given a graph where nodes represent locations and edges represent paths connecting them. However, unlike a normal map where edges have distance, here each edge has a success probability. Your task is to find a path from the start node to the end node that has the highest chance of success. Before we jump into code, let's look at the math. When you travel through multiple steps, you don't add the probabilities. You multiply them. For example, if 2 steps each have a 0.5 probability, the total probability is 0.25. This is crucial because multiplying numbers between 0 and 1 always results in a smaller number. This is where many beginners get tripped up. In a standard shortest path problem, we want to minimize the sum of distances. Here, we want to maximize the product of probabilities. So instead of looking for the smallest number, we are hunting for the largest possible product. So, how do we solve it? We can use a greedy approach. We start at the beginning with a probability of 100%. At every step, we look at all possible next moves and always choose the one that gives us the highest current probability. This sounds exactly like Dijkstra's algorithm. To make Dijkstra's algorithm work for this problem, we need to make one small but important change. Standard Dijkstra uses a min-heap to process the smallest distances first. For our problem, we will use a max heap so we can always process the path with the highest probability first. Here is the logic in pseudocode. First, we build our graph. Then we initialize a priority queue with our starting node and a probability of 1. While the queue isn't empty, we take the best node, check if it is our target, and if not, explore its neighbors. We calculate the new probability by multiplying, and if it's better than what we have seen before, we update it. Let's visualize this. Imagine we are at the start. We see 2 neighbors, B and CB has a higher probability, so our max heap puts B at the top. We visit B first. This ensures we don't waste time on paths that are already less likely to succeed than our current best option. The efficiency of this approach is excellent. The time complexity is big O of E log V, where E is the number of edges and V is the number of vertices. This is because we process each edge once, and the heap operations take logarithmic time. The space complexity is linear relative to the size of the graph. To wrap up, remember these key points. We are maximizing a product, not minimizing a sum. Because probabilities only get smaller as we multiply, we can safely use a greedy approach like Dijkstra's algorithm. Just remember to swap that min-heap for a max heap, and you have got the optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.